Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to go over gold and silver, do some technical analysis, see what the heck's going on. A lot of carnage out there. As expected, further pullback here is what we've seen. Let's look at the charts and see what we see right now, if there's any sort of tails on it. If there's any buyers at least making an attempt to push this up. Are we breaking out of any patterns? Let's take a quick look at it. So here's gold and silver, technical analysis. Here's GDX. So I didn't draw in the trend line. We've done that quite a bit. The trend line comes through here. We have like this shoulder, kind of head shoulder thing going on. We do have a little wick at the bottom. The sellers are winning out over here. I'm just going to continue to wait and see where the buyers are coming in at. I do think we're getting close to a bottom here, I think. At some point, I mean, somewhere in this range over here, I think we'll be slowing down. We were slowing down a little bit. If we got a little bit more of a wick on this, it'd be a little bit better. But I'd like to see some buyers step in. There's just no buyers. GDXJ has got this, it's singing the same song. Shoulder, head, kind of a mutated shoulder. I think we're going to get down to about where it's at, somewhere around here. What I'd like to see going forward is a very small down day, or maybe we get scared tomorrow where it comes down and then the buyers step in and fight this thing back up. And you get like a hammer pattern like this one down here, this hammer pattern there, put a little hammer pattern here, a reversal candlestick to move higher. But as of right now, the sellers are dominating. And I'm sure it's quite obvious to everyone. Here's SILJ. Again, we're painting these very large down day opening and closing prices. I don't like seeing that. I don't like seeing these big dark red candlesticks where open price, closing price, and it gains steam throughout the day. I don't like that. We are right at support for SILJ. So the buyers better step in here. It could be a long way down. If this breaks, we do have some support underneath here at like $12. So we could have a substantial pullback if we break this resistance line right here, right now, tomorrow. We've got Discovery Silver. It broke its trend line to the downside. It's up to you if you want to hold on. I'm going to put mine into a free ride right here, and I'm going to let mine roll. That's what I'm going to do with Discovery Silver. We've got EXK. I put it into a free ride. I had bought it down a ways. We had broke this uptrend, and we are coming on back quite strongly. First Majestic Silver, I also put this into a free ride, and it broke its little pattern here. Sometimes they dip down, and then they like to reverse it back. Eldorado Gold, this one also broke down, back test, and it's selling off to the downside. This could see quite a bit further downside. Newmont's looking a little bit better. We got the downtrend break to the upside, and it's almost like a shoulder head shoulder developing, where this price projection from here would be somewhere down here below this trend line. We've got Wheaton Precious Metals trend line break, pulled back. We still have some selling pressure, at least today we did, but this is still above its trend line. Doesn't look as bad as the other ones. Sandstorm Gold, broken trend line. We were coming on up. We got nice big up day there, but we also had a pretty large down day today. So, and what I mean by up days and down days, like these, I'm looking at the size of the candlesticks. The size of the candlesticks means something. If we're moving higher, you have to have large white candlesticks. That means that the buyers are in control. We have a lot of buying pressure, not much selling pressure, which means we have a lot of buyers, not a lot of sellers. And we continue to push up and gain steam throughout the day. On this side here, this is a sharp sell-off, and there's still a lot of momentum behind this. This could still continue to pull back here. Same with Franco-Nevada. Small little up days here. See these little small up days, and then the big, this got hit pretty hard today. And the opening and closing price is pretty large. There's a lot of momentum to the downside in a lot of these companies. Now, you notice that I said I put some companies into a free ride. I do think there's a better opportunity. It's not in gold and silver. I purchased REMX, rare earth metals. I'm loading in kind of heavy into that one for my own self. I put these into free ride, which means I didn't sell them completely out. I had profits in them. I let my profits ride, and I took my original base money and threw it into REMX because REMX looks like it's breaking to the upside. It's a rare earth metal ETF, and these guys don't look as hot at the moment. Some of them are breaking their patterns to the downside, so I'm leaving my profits ride. I'm going to let them ride, and I'm going to go into REMX. That's what I did with some of these companies. If you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. And again, I didn't sell anything of my physical holdings. I didn't sell any of my mutual funds. I'm not selling out on gold and silver. I don't want anybody to take this wrong. So if you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up, and thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.